Welcome to my YouTube channel, Amazing Pet TV. For today's video, I will give kangkong to my budgies. Absolutely, washing kangkong thoroughly before offering it to your budgies is essential to remove any potential pesticides, dirt, or contaminants. Here is a simple process you can follow to ensure that the kangkong is clean, safe for your budgies. Number 1, rinse under cold water. 2, soak in clean water. Number 3, rinse again. Number 4, inspect for quality. And number 5, pat dry or air dry your kangkong. And ready to serve to my budgies. Kangkong, also known as water spinach or Chinese spinach, can be a healthy addition to your budgies diet in moderation. Here are some potential benefits of kangkong to our budgies. Nutrient-rich. Kangkong is rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, calcium, iron, and potassium. These nutrients can contribute to your budgies' overall health and well-being. Hydration. Since kangkong has a high water content, it can help keep your budgies hydrated, especially during hot weather. Fiber. Kangkong contains dietary fiber, which can aid in digestion and prevent constipation in budgies. Offering a variety of foods, including vegetable like kangkong, can prevent dietary boredom and encourage your budgies to explore different textures and flavors. Incorporating kangkong into your budgies' diet can provide them with natural enrichment, as they can enjoy tearing into the leaves and exploring the different textures. However, it's essential to introduce kangkong gradually into your budgies' diet and observe how they respond to it. Some budgies may not take to it immediately, while others may enjoy it right away. Additionally, ensure that the kangkong you offer is fresh and thoroughly washed to remove any pesticides or contaminants. Always consult with an avian veterinarian for a specific dietary recommendation for your budgies. If do you think this is good for your budgies, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. It's great to see you taking such care in providing a healthy diet for your budgies. They surely appreciate the variety and nutrition that kangkong can offer. Keep up the excellent bird parenting. See you on my next video for some healthy tips about budgies health. Thank you so much.